This isn't 4K UHD. If you're expecting that, I'm fucking sorry. This isn't Blu-ray. I know, I'm sorry, dude. This isn't DVD.
What?
This print has not been digitally altered or touched by a computer. This is an original 1974 16mm print of this movie. But there's a quirk to it. It's fucking worn to shit, but it fucking looks awesome for this movie. There's lines, there's dirt specks, the color is fading. This is probably the way that it should have been shown in general. This is like not one of the movies you want to see like the chainsaw super clear in 4K, you know what I mean? This movie was shot on 16, and so this is a 16 print of this original 16 print. We probably have like 10 years left with this print. It is starting to deteriorate like all older prints. So you are very fortunate that we get to watch this tonight because